bloody heels across the rise, and in tones of sullen steel, stones erode and so do I.
Spot. It's my old high school now, so we've gone to my elementary, my middle, and now my high school.
And it would be so easy just to get it all off of my chest, all in one step, spitting down the side of a limitless doubt, knuckles turning white so I couldn't point it out. I'm not sure if it's mine, find out, fall down. Couldn't point it out, I'm not sure if it's mine, but I could find out, would fall down. Morning comes and morning goes, I feel unkempt, I think it shows. So far away, you know, the freshly fallen snow ringing ears, stuck waves and stone. I could take a holiday off the edge, to consolidate all of my debt. Get it all off of my chest and out of my head. I could take a holiday off the edge, to consolidate all of my debt, and it would be so easy just to get it all off of my chest and out of my head, all in one step. Get me out of my head. Not sure if it's mine, I could find out and